everybody. Just wanted to spend some time sharing today about using Google Classroom's integration with Google Meet so that you can host meetings and leave a link for your meetings directly through Google Classroom for your students. In order to show you this, I've got two windows up here. On the left-hand side, you'll see that this is my teacher account. You can tell it's a teacher account because you can see me up here in the corner. Also, it has grades here as one of the tabs. And then I've also opened a student account so you can see a view from a student account. So this is the sort of student view of what's going on. So the student is enrolled in my class. I am the teacher of this class. So if I want to start the integration of Google Meet into this classroom, I have to initiate that through the settings gear. So I'm going to click on the settings gear. And if I scroll down into general, the option here at the bottom is Meet. Classroom now supports Meet. And so what I need to do initially is generate the Meet link. So I'm going to start that link. It's going to automatically set up a link for Google Meet through my classroom. And I have the option to make this visible or not visible for my students. Luckily, the way it's set up, either way, whether it's visible or not, students can only enter this Meet when the teacher is in the Meet. So it's set up so that it will only be available to students to click on it when the students are in there. So there is the option to reset the link here, but you actually only need to use that if you are completely starting fresh with a new group, I'd say. Otherwise, you can just set that up, make it visible for students, and hit save. And now it's showing up on mine. It might take a moment. I might even need to refresh to get it to show up on my student view. But here it is. It's showing up in the student view. And this is where it lives. It lives in the stream and it's visible for students here. And I can show you right now, as the teacher, I have not entered this meeting yet. But if I'm a student, even though the Meet is visible here, if I click on this link, it will tell me you can't join. We've had a problem joining this video call. And so they can't enter the meeting until I, as the teacher, have joined. And it says, wait for your teacher to join and then refresh this page. So I can show you if I, as the teacher, click on the Meet and I open it up. Now it's still not, it's creating the Meet right now, but I haven't joined yet. So once I join, but my students now can hit reload now that I've entered, or any student who's been waiting can also click on this meeting link now. And I'm going to mute this one also. They can now join because I, as their teacher, am in. So I'm going to hit join now. Turn off the sound. And hit join now. And my student is in my meeting and I am in my meeting. So we're both here in my meeting. I can see both views because I have grid view on as a teacher, but here's my setup. You can see me talking all over the place. And now I want you to see just what happens if if I leave the meeting. So here I am on the left-hand side as the teacher. And if I sign out of the meeting, I close out of the meeting, my student can stay behind. So what I need to make sure is I'm the last one to leave. My students leave before me. But after everyone has left the meeting, if they hit rejoin, they will again get a message that they can't join the video call because the teacher is not in there. So they're only able to join the video call when the teacher's in there. As long as you are the last one to leave and your students leave first, they will not be able to rejoin. Even if they come back and click this link again, they will get that same message about waiting for your teacher to join. So this way, all you need to do is schedule the time and the date with your students, and they can use the same link every single time.